Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and having a first look at the Samsung Galaxy A13. So what are some of the features? It comes with a 6.6-inch screen, 50 megapixel main camera, it comes in a 3 or 4GB RAM variant and also a massive 5000 mAh LiPo battery. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to my channel. So the A13 will set you back £180 in the UK and just over $160 in the US. So what do you get when you open up the box itself? So we get the usual paperwork at the beginning. Let's have a look at that in further detail. In the box of contents you get a quick start guide, information on the warranty and health and safety, a SIM card removable tool and also a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you've guessed it, no power plug. Okay, so let's quickly take this off. You get it in 3 different colors, black, white and blue. This version is 64GB with 4GB of RAM, and wait for some ASMR. The A13 sports a V-display. It's a PLS panel measuring at 6.6 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2408. That gives you a pixel density of 400. Comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and the back is glossy plastic. A bit of a fingerprint magnet as you can see from here, but that can be sorted out with a microfiber cloth. On the bottom we have a headphone jack, microphone, USB-C and your speaker grill. On the left hand side you have the SIM card tray. At the top you have a secondary microphone, and on the right hand side you have the power, fingerprint scanner along with the volume rocker. So let's quickly start the phone up and have a quick look. It has an Exynos 850 octa-core processor based on the 8nm fabrication. The display is a PLS LCD panel and viewing angles are generally quite good. When you turn it and twist it around, the brightness and color is not affected. At the top we have the V display for the 8 megapixel front selfie camera. At the bottom you have a big chin. Yep, that's a given considering the price point. You can also record videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second with a front facing camera. On the back we have a quad setup, so a 50 megapixel wide camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel for the macro and for the depth. You also get a LED flash and can record in 1080p at 30 frames per second. With this phone you get a generous screen size and the color reproduction along with the brightness are quite good. Also, it's running Android 12. You get such features as long tapping on an icon will bring up extra options such as taking selfie and recording a video. On internet you can do new tab or incognito mode and so on and so forth. Generally using the mobile phone it feels pretty decent. If you're new to the smartphone market or if you are used to 60Hz screen, it will feel pretty smooth. Going through the apps feels absolutely fine. However, if you had the luxury to experience something that has 120Hz or 90Hz, then you might notice a slight lag. If you're looking at a phone with a higher screen refresh rate, then do check out my unboxing and first look at the Motorola G32. So let's quickly play a video on the A13 and let me know how it sounds. This is the more affordable version of the Scorp, and the Scorp C will set you back around £280 in the UK and around $270. Today we're going to be doing our unboxing, followed by a quick look and demonstration of the product. Hey, wait a minute. Just a quick shameless plug. If you want to see more short form content, more reels, more behind the scenes, then do remember to follow me on Instagram at KarlosTech. The A13 is a budget phone, but that doesn't mean you should compromise on usability and enjoying your phone. And a lot of nowadays use a smartphone for media consumption. As you can see, I have T3 open. It loads pretty quickly. I can scroll through fast enough. Let's quickly load the top page up and you can see I've loaded Porsche's celebrating 75th birthday. And what can I say about the haptics? It's quite good. I'll give you a quick listen. Alright, so let's run some gaming test and let me know what you think. Here we have a couple of pictures using the main phone camera with studio lighting on, and as you can see it produces pretty good results. Here we have 3 pictures taken with a normal lighting coming through the window. And now for some video footage recorded on the A13. Hi guys, this is a quick video test using the onboard microphone as well, recorded at full HD at 30 frames per second. So currently we just have the room light in And for example, let me pick up this remote and show you how it looks. I mean, for the price you're paying, it doesn't do a bad job. Picks up the color quite nicely. You can see the text clearly. Right, and that's just with the room lighting. So let's go ahead and show you how it looks like when you turn studio lighting on. Obviously, when you have a well-lit room, it does look much better. For example, let's pick up this fake lens flask. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Definitely isn't bad. Could be improved, but hey, you're paying under £200 for this. So that's a quick wrap up of the Samsung Galaxy A13. What do you think of the phone? Do you like it? Would you consider buying it? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.